Get a feel for the 2015 Infiniti QX80. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Answer the call to adventure in unprecedented style and comfort in this QX80. From its bold beauty and brawny strength to its sophisticated and spacious interior, this luxury SUV offers an utterly civilized approach to exploring your world. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You only live once. Live large. Get into this spacious QX80 and go. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.